kind of sarcastic, sharp spastic, smart ass jerk. For so long you turned plastic. Now let me tell you there's another way to think of things. Instead of jaded and bitter the way you've hated things, this vile venomous enemy that you had to be, it doesn't have to be this way because it's sad to see. There's a movement, dudes get in tune to the root of emotion, saying the truth, there's improvement. I mean sincere from the heart's core. I mean bereft of the fear and clearly far more. Say what you mean and truly mean what you say. They're honest with their words and there's earnesty in their praise. Yeah, so raise them up for this way of thought. To wear your heart on your sleeve is just saying a lot. And I ain't playing cause rhyme flow is safe in a spot. This new sincerity plan that I'm aiming to rock.
The world that we can see, it shows no authenticity. We want transparency without the snidey irony. No shallow vanity, we value our humanity. Yeah, let us set it free, a kind of new sincerity.
Get in your head and don't bet on the bad. Abandon the fad and bet in your mind. Prepare to be glad. I was jaded as the next man, just glaringly mad. I carried the past on my shoulders, despairingly sad. But I felt the fear falling away. I'll call it decay, appallingly lost. Not sorry to say, this sincerity impaired in me, this caring in me, just staring at me right in the face, just daring to be. Oh, I let it go, I let it fly. I let the truth from the soul I was holding inside. And I can tell you it's a blessing and a gift, because the weight pressing on my heart, it started to lift, it started to drift. This anger of war started to rip, and beneath spoke a genuine part of the script. It said, be true to yourself, be honest and kind. This new sincerity inherently is brought in the mind. Yeah.
The world that we can see, it shows no